Nah, kita keberisikan loh suara-suara lain. Oh, oke.
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we have an event that is WTTS, or we can say Weekend Teach Talk Series with our speaker, namely Muhammad Harfi Ibadur Rahman from 11th grade KJ. And then me as the host of this agenda. My name is Muhammad Hanif Misbodin from 11 grade TKJ2. So the material is access list or ACL. Okay, Harfi, you can start the material.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Harfi Badur Rahman. I am from 11th grade TKJ. Now, I will discuss about ACL, or access list. ACL is one of the most important skills, which is a network administrator need is mastery of access control list or ACL. Administrator use ACL to stop traffic or permit only specific traffic on their network. And in this occasion, I will discuss about two types of ACL. First is standard access list, and second is extended access list. Standard and extended access list can apply a number of security features, including policy-based routing, quality of service or QoS, network address translation (NAT), and also port address translation (PAT). You can also configure standard and extended access list on router interface to control the type of traffic that is permitted through a given router. Today, okay, let's just start the lab standard first. We will wait. I share the screen first. Share screen. Okay. Okay. First, you need to open scope packet tracer. And wait. Oh yeah, access list used to be filtering, and then we will discuss both standard and extended. And first, we discuss about standard ACL. ACL numbering is 1 until 99 and can block network, host, and subnet. And all services are blocked. The block all service is blocked and implement closest to the destination. And then filtering based on source IP address only. Okay, let's just start the topology. We make topology. First unit is two router, and a server, one server, and then unit switch to one switch, and then to PC. After this, you can interconnect all of device. It's up to you how to use what port. Okay, I connect router to switch to PC. Okay. First unit is connect the device, and then wait, I will add background so you can see it clearly. So, okay, and then before you make topology, first you need to uh, make IP address on every interface. So first I will make IP address slash is for, so in this interface it use this IP, and then I make gain for this spool at 0 slash 24. In this interface I will use this IP, and then in this interface I use 20.20.0 as 24. Okay. And then this I will make this router for router 1, and then this router for router 2. Okay. Wait. And then after you made a topology, you must add the IP address on the device on every interface and config. This side in left is router 1. I will give name. Host name is router R1. And on my right, I will give name router 2. Host name router 2. Okay. Router 1 left. First, I will configure the router 1 first. I will add IP address on fast Ethernet 0/1. Okay, so interface FA 0/01, and share screen. Belum memang. Oh iya, share udah di share screen nih. Udah kan. Okay, before there is no share screen. Okay. Okay, now share screen done. I think we make buat ulang topologi. Okay, from zero. I will teach you from zero. First unit is use to router. Unit is to router device. and then one server, and then TUPC, and another one is unit is switch. Okay, before, my bad, no share screen, sorry for the mistake. And then you need to interconnect all of device in here. Okay, I will use this cable for, okay, I connect all of device. You just click from device 1 to another device, and then, okay, wait, and then I will make a background so you can see it clearly, and then I will make a text so we can remember in this interface. We will make what IP, so you can remember in this interface. I will use 192.168.1/24, and on this interface I will use 10.10.10.0/24, and in this I will use 2020 0/1. Okay, so let's do the next step. Okay. On my left is router 1, and on my right is router 2. Okay, this router 1 and this router 2. This router 1. So first I want to make I want to configure router 1 first. Okay, so I'll give the name first. Host name, it means host name router 1, and then first host name router 1. Okay, I'll give the IP address to interface FA01, FA01 in this router. You see, on router 1 is connect to fast Ethernet 01 and fast Ethernet 00 in FA01. So I'll give the IP address is 1092, 1068.1.1, of course, because this will be the default gateway. And then don't forget to give a subnet match. I'll give the subnet match is /24. Oh yeah, I forgot. My bad. IP. Don't forget to IP address, and then what address you want to make, and then don't forget to no shutdown. No shutdown is it will make the interface on before the cable is red, now is green, so that's the meaning. Your the interface is up is on. Okay, and then I will make the on interface fast Ethernet null slash 0 0/0 IP address 10 and 10.1 slash all of slash is /24 because for easier. Don't forget to no shutdown, of course. And then on router 1 is done. Now we move to router 2. We configure the router 2. I think the way is same like before. You must in router 2 you must add interface on add IP address on every interface you connect. In router 2 is connect on F100 and F01. First, I want to make F01 and IP address 10. Why not 1? Because 1 is used in router 1, so uh, they doesn't gak boleh make yang sama nomornya because router 1 is used 1 and I will use 2. And don't forget slash, don't forget no shutdown, that will up the interface. And then, oh yeah, and then let's move to FA 0.0 IP address. In FA 00, there is 20. Okay, 20 course less 24. Don't forget the shutdown. Okay, after you make the IP address on every interface, after that you must make a routing. You must routing because on this file is don't know what is IP address. So you must kenalan. That's the function of routing. In this I will use static routing. So the configuration is IP route is I'll configure in router 1. I want to know in router 1 I want to know 20. So IP route 20. Wait a minute. IP route 20. But 0. Why 0? Because 0 is all of until 0, from 0 until limit. And then subnext mask before I use plus 24, and then IP destination, IP subnet mask, and then after this you need fill with gateway. Router 1 gateway enemy gateway is F101 is 10.10.10.q. Okay, enter. On router 1 you don't make a static group, so on router 2 you must static group too. Okay, IP route. On this router want to know 192. Okay, so IP route 192 168 and 1 and 0 subnet mask, and then gateway enemy is 10.10.10.1. Okay, after you make a static route on every router, so you must pastikan PC two server can ping each other. So first on PC, we need to add IP address first. This PC1, okay. Ini PC1. Imagine this is PC1, okay. And then the IP address is same to the above, is 192, but the difference is in octet form. You must different from gateway, because gateway is 1, so the IP address is different. Okay. And then don't forget to enter subdecimal and default gateway. After that, you need to make IP address 2 in server. So in server is 2020 the two subdecimal is slash 24, and then don't forget gateway. Okay, we try to ping from PC1 to server. Common ping. Wait. We will test the time. Okay. Ping 20. So two. Okay. This IP server. So let's see. Wait. What? Wait, there is a mistake. We try again. Yeah, 2021, 2022. Wait. 1992. Okay. Pastikan can ping each other. Wait, that's file. I will check the failure first. If you want to check the fail, you can do so run. If I no is then it's good. If I no one, okay, and then routing is no mistake. And then on router 2, check on do so run. Do so run is to see what the configuration you make, what's running on the device. If I no 2020, right? Oh, that's the mistake. My mistake is on interface F101 is 10.202022. Okay, so we must do F101 and then no IP add what the mistake before. And don't forget to add no is like delete. And then make the new IP address. Okay. After that, you must ping. Try to ping to server. Okay. Let's see. Ping 20. This is if success will reply from 2020. Okay. After camping each other, now we will make the access list. Okay. You first we configure the access list on router 2. Okay, configure access list on router 2, and the configuration is easy. We just write access list 1 or 2 or 3. It's up to you, but the maximum is 99 on standard access list. 1, and then Deni is like exclude. Pokoknya gak boleh in Indonesian. Deni IP 168.1.0.0, and then you add wildcard max quest 24. Okay, access this. Deny ini IP this, and then subnet this. Okay. After deny, you must access list. Access is 1, permit any. Jadi, so yeah, which is Denny is only this IP address, and other IP address can still ping each other. And after that, we need to go to interface FA00. This to go this interface, because this PC is stroke this line, and then we must block use HCL in this interface is in FA00. So before we made the access list, so we can apply in FA00. The configuration is IP access group 1 out. So we put the accesses on this. Why out? Because out nih from this PC, stroke this line, and then enter this. Enter this is in, and then this out. So that's why out. Okay, enter. Okay, after you make that configuration, the result is you can ping to the server. So let's try ping 20. See, the packet is can ping each other again. No, destination host unreachable. Destination host unreachable. Okay, that's all. Okay, thank you. I think we will discuss extended access list in another occasion, because the time is up, I think. So I can back to the host Udin. Okay, wait. Okay, so I can back to the host. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have a question, just ask to me on column commenter. Okay.
Enak.
Okay. Good material from Harfi. So maybe that's all from us, from me and Harfi. It is Evan. We apologize if there is a mistake in the did or word. So I say goodbye. Then we can meet again in another agenda. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.